the best air fryers you need in 2024. Healthier cooking. Hey there! In the ever-evolving world of technology, choosing the right option can be a challenge. Fret not. We've compiled a list of the best 6 products. Check out the description for more info and the latest pricing. Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-in-1 is a versatile 4-quart air fryer oven designed by the makers of Instant Pot. This stainless steel kitchen essential offers a seamless cooking experience with customizable smart cooking programs. Enjoy the convenience of a non-stick and dishwasher-safe basket, making cleanup a breeze. Equipped with a user-friendly app featuring over 100 recipes, this air fryer oven enhances your culinary repertoire. Thanks to innovative technology integrated into the appliance, effortlessly prepare a variety of dishes with precision and efficiency. The 6-in-1 functionality allows you to air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate with ease, meeting all your cooking needs in one compact device. Elevate your cooking experience with the Instant Pot Vortex Plus, where cutting-edge design meets practicality. Save time and savor delicious, healthier meals, all while enjoying the convenience of a sleek and durable stainless steel exterior. Upgrade your kitchen and explore a world of culinary possibilities with this essential appliance. Beelicious Pro. With cutting-edge temperatures reaching a maximum of 450 degrees Fahrenheit and a distinctive metal chamber design, this air fryer accelerates its heating process by 40% compared to a conventional oven, utilizing a significantly reduced amount of oil, 85 to 90% to be precise, yielding consistently healthful outcomes. The cooking capacity of 4 quarts, ample for 2 pounds of French fries or 12 chicken wings, caters to the culinary needs of 1 to 4 individuals. Despite its compact size, it occupies minimal space on your countertop. Embark on a culinary journey with ease, exploring an array of food options through 8 meticulously crafted modes, an extensive time and temperature control range, and a collection of 40-plus chef-made recipes. The cooking modes include air fry, roast, bake, broil, fries, steak, reheat, and dehydrate, with a range spanning from 1 to 60 minutes and temperatures from 100 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Unlock an array of meal possibilities with our intelligent digital air fryer. Featuring an upgraded 360-degree rapid airflow system, state-of-the-art IQ temp control technology, and personalized shake reminders, this air fryer ensures flawlessly uniform, golden, crispy, and tender cooking results. The Beelicious Pro guarantees satisfaction with a 30-day money-back offer, a 1-year warranty, and a lifetime of technical consultation. Kitchen Elite. The Kitchen Elite air fryer is a gastronomic marvel, boasting 360-degree turbo airflow technology that transforms cooking into a delightful experience. With its expansive 8-quart family size, this air fryer is meticulously crafted to cater to the demands of a bustling kitchen. The inclusive probe thermometer ensures meticulous control over cooking temperatures, promising impeccably cooked meals on every occasion. Revel in culinary versatility with 8 preset functions, simplifying processes from frying and roasting to baking and beyond. The non-stick square air fryer basket, featuring a convenient viewing window, enables effortless monitoring of your culinary creations. Achieve a sense of tranquility with the auto shutoff feature, prioritizing safety and preventing the risk of overcooking. Elevate your kitchen aesthetics with the Kitchen Elite air fryer, seamlessly blending functionality with style. Embrace healthier cooking alternatives without compromising on flavor, all encapsulated within the convenience of a sleek and user-friendly design. Transform your culinary escapades with this indispensable appliance, a true essential for any home chef. West Bend. This dual basket air fryer, boasting a substantial 10-quart capacity, introduces simplicity with one-touch time settings for air fry, bake, broil, chicken, dehydrate, fish, fries, frozen, keep warm, preheat, roast, reheat, dual cook, sync finish, and vegetables. The dual cook feature operates both baskets concurrently, even at varying temperatures. Effortlessly adjust the temperature within the range of 90 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Crafted with 1600 watts of cooking power, ergonomic handles, and a user-friendly LCD display, Its design is both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Enhancing convenience further, this air fryer comes with 15 cooking presets, catering to a diverse range of dishes. The non-stick frying baskets ensure seamless food release and uncomplicated cleaning. Embrace a healthier culinary approach by minimizing the use of oil while indulging in the sumptuous flavors your palate desires. In a sleek black finish, the West Bend air fryer seamlessly integrates into any kitchen ambiance. Elevate your culinary journey with a harmonious blend of convenience and versatility. Whether frying, roasting, or baking, this appliance consistently produces outstanding results, establishing itself as an essential for those who appreciate the pursuit of culinary excellence. Ninja DZ550. Do you need to fry more than one type of food? This dual air fryer is an excellent choice for your household. It comes with 2 independent XL air fryer baskets and separate compartments. You could choose to cook these 2 foods in separate ways, or use the same settings for both. In addition to helping you save time, there's a Food Smart thermometer that helps you check whether your food is well done, especially when baking. We also love that there are 6 cooking programs you can choose from. There's air fry, air broil, and the option to roast, bake, reheat, and even dehydrate. It's easy to clean the baskets and includes plates because they're non-stick and also dishwasher safe. Built-in intelligence rockets the DC550 to a higher performance level with new options not available on previous air fryers. Ninja calls it the Smart Cook System. Versatility is the name of the game. Use the DZ550 with or without the probe, with or without both zones, buckets, i.e. dual zone technology with or without match cook. This Ninja Foodie 6-in-1 basket air fryer is a big hit here. The product appears to be durable and well built. Dreo. The Dreo air fryer is the best you can get to help you cut down on costs. Plus, it looks smart and it performs well. It cooks breakfast, lunch, and dinner in a way that's quicker and cheaper than your oven. It can almost replace it unless you're cooking for more than 2. Carrying this lightweight air fryer up a flight of stairs is also a breeze. So if you live in a city apartment, you don't need to break a sweat before you begin cooking. Though it does come with some plastic packaging, a cookbook containing 50 recipes is a nice treat for when you're feeling uninspired. Assembly is easy, and given its compact size, the basket is deep. Cleaning the Dreo air fryer is simple as the removable drawer and inserts are both dishwasher friendly. Hand washing this part is equally easy if you would rather rinse them with dish soap and a sponge. Cost-wise, this machine takes the title of joint second for energy efficiency, costing just 22 cents per hour of use. And out of all the air fryers we've experimented with, this one seems to be the most versatile model on the market. The user was able to make 3 full meals plus snacks and sides without batting an eye.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.